case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a 2010 court case involving Goody's Family Clothing Inc., a key legal query captivated the United States Court of Appeals for the Third Circuit. The question was whether landlords to the bankrupt firm could, under the bankruptcy code, claim a portion of their rent as an administrative expense during the period in which the company filed for bankruptcy and made their first subsequent rent payment. This rent, otherwise known as stub rent, became a contentious point between Goody's and their landlords, Mountaineer Property Company 2, LLC, Stafford Bluffin, LLC, and Eastgate Mall, LLC. Goody's had filed for bankruptcy, and in the process, some of their stores were closed and merchandise liquidated. A key detail emerged during the court hearing: whether the lands and facilities leased by Goody's were a necessary benefit to the company during the so-called stub period. If so, the landlords claimed, they were within their rights to claim stub rent as an administrative expense. The lower court initially ruled in the landlord's favor, which led Goody's Family Clothing Inc. and its subsidiaries to appeal the decision, triggering the hearing at the Court of Appeals. The issue boiled down to a reading of the bankruptcy code, with Goody's asserting that one section of the code overruled another, therefore exempting them from the stub rent payment. Following a careful analysis of the code and referring to legal standards established in previous cases, notably the Mammoth Mart test and the Zagata ruling, the Court of Appeals upheld the lower court's decision. They confirmed that the landlords were indeed entitled to claim stub rent as an administrative expense, provided they could demonstrate that their property and land had been a necessary benefit to Goody's during the stub period. The final ruling showed that the section of the bankruptcy code Goody's had argued replaced obligatory stub rent payments did not, in fact, overrule its requirement. The case underscored the critical importance of a thorough understanding of law when navigating complex legal and financial landscapes. Whether a store still opens its doors or liquidates all merchandise, as long as the property is being used, the rule of law earmarks that financial obligations must be met.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.